Today, let's begin with our chapter, The Mouse. First, let's start learning objectives. Identify mouse parts. Understand mouse types. Perform mouse actions. Practice mouse holding. Learn, drag and drop. A mouse is a small input device that helps us give instructions to the computer. We move the mouse on a flat surface and the pointer on the computer screen moves in the same way. This helps us select and open files, draw pictures and play games on the computer. Types of the computer mouse. There are several types of computer mouse. Mechanical mouse. This has a ball underneath that rolls and moves the pointer on the screen. Optical mouse. This uses a light to detect movement. It is more precise than a mechanical mouse. Wireless mouse. This mouse does not need a wire to connect to the computer. It uses wireless technology like Bluetooth to communicate. Parts of a mouse. A mouse has a few important parts. Buttons. A mouse has two buttons, a left button and a right button. Left button. This is a main button used to click on things. Right button. This button opens special menus. Scroll wheel. Between the buttons, there is a wheel that helps move up and down through pages or zoom in and out. Optical sensor. On the bottom of an optical or wireless mouse, there is a light sensor that detects movement. How to hold a mouse. To use a mouse properly, first, let's sit up straight and keep the wrist relaxed. Next, place the hand over the mouse with the index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. The thumb should rest gently on one side of the mouse and ring and the little finger on the other side. Different actions of the mouse. The mouse can do many things. Pointing. When you move the mouse, the pointer moves in the same direction on the screen. Single click. Clicking the left mouse button once is called single click. It selects an item on the screen. It is also called the left click or click. Double click. Pressing the left button twice quickly is called double click. It opens the selected program, file or folder. Right click. Clicking the right mouse button once is called a right click. This opens a context menu with the additional options. Drag and drop. To drag and drop an item on the desktop, follow these steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer to the item you want to move. Step 2. Press and hold down the left mouse button on the item. Step 3. While holding the button, move the mouse to where you want the item to go. Step 4. Release the mouse button to let the item drop into its new place. Scrolling. Rolling the scroll wheel to move up or down through the documents or website is called scrolling. Now, let's get back to the chapter summary. A mouse is a small input device. There are different types of mouse, such as mechanical, optical, and wireless. A mouse has left and right buttons and a scroll wheel. The optical sensor detects movement. The mouse can point single click, double click, and right click. Drag and drop moves an item on the screen. Scrolling moves the screen up or down.